Hello everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. It is evening time, it is still raining, and Jason is inside. He's going to start dinner for us. What a day it has been. It's been a really good day actually. I decided to spend a couple of hours, rainy hours this afternoon, getting out and going to Michael's and just looking at the art supplies. Normally we go together, but today Jason decided to go by himself out into the rain to one of the Eno River walks. We've both had our days, and now he's going to cook steak and baked potatoes, salad, and he said, you just go out and enjoy your workshop. Isn't that sweet? Oh my goodness, it's amazing. I think I want to make another art page. Well, I don't think, I know I want to make another art page. And I'm going to put down some more white paint. You know, as many paintbrushes as I have, I still need more. Let's get some clean water. I always think I'm going to learn something new when I go to Michael's. I'm going to stand in there and just study the art supplies and figure out what they're all for, and then I end up thinking, I don't know what a lot of this stuff is for. And, well, I shouldn't say that. You can learn by reading the packages. Today I noticed that the shelves were really bare. They were. In fact, I wondered if they were closing, if the store was just going to close down. That's not good. Not good at all. And then I walked into Tuesday morning. That's a nice little shopping center to visit. Went into Tuesday morning and their shelves were really bare, although I did get something I have wanted for a long time and I haven't been able to find at Michael's. They had, so these index clips, I love these. They had a couple of packages of those on sale, and I said, oh wow, I gotta get both of those. You don't see those much anymore. I don't anyway. Okay, got some paint on this page. Let me see if I have, what is this? I'm missing some of my watercolor pencils, and I have a feeling that they're in a case somewhere from when I was going to help with my grandbabies, because I would take art supplies, and yeah. They're going to turn up somewhere. They're not on my desk. So this is just a regular pencil. And maybe we will end up with something we can use. I don't know. I like my watercolors for things like this because they actually paint, you know, while you're using them. But I cannot find, I don't know what in the world. I don't know where my watercolors are. I almost bought another pack tonight, and I said that I'm not doing that because I have a whole pack of watercolor pencils. So let's just glue some of this down. What does this say? A timely tribute. I love sitting out here with the rain, and it's just, that's wonderful. I wonder if we've got maybe a few things on the art desk. That's pretty. This is just a card that has a lot of butterflies stamped on it. Oh, it does have stuff in it. All right. That's actually really pretty on there. Maybe we can go with a watercolor crayon or two. Using a wet paintbrush to go over these marks that I made with the watercolor crayon. One of these days my watercolor pencils will show up. This actually might be better anyway. So I just did some really loose lines. Nothing fancy. And kind of going over those lines with a paintbrush. They're really light lines there, and maybe a little bit on top of the nose. Let's see, I haven't used this in a while. I love the color of this. This is one of those Neo Color 2. This is Bordeaux. Let's use that on the lips. Another watercolor crayon. This is more watercolor crayon. What is this? This is sort of a brown color, but I feel like it fits in with the rusty sort of look. So let's just put a little bit of color around her. Not a whole lot, but you know, give it a little bit of color. For her hair, I wonder, now I do have a few watercolor pencils out here. I have this one that says cherry red. I think that might be too much. I've also got the gelatos, and with all of this, what is this one? Nope, I don't want that. That's the thing, I have some shimmery gelatos in here, and I know I don't want that. I want something that's more, that might do. I wonder if we take the brush and just pick up some color from here for the face. Might be nice to have sort of that color palette everywhere. It's okay if some black spills over. I'll go back to the R2. Put some more detail in the eyes. Like the lashes. And let's see, maybe we can. Some white in here. Isn't that just the most fun? Putting that color in the face. I think we need a little hair barrette or something. Here, I like her. She is quite pretty. All right, I'm gonna stop. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.